Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're solving a huge problem: pricey streaming subscriptions versus sketchy, malware-filled movie sites. So, is there an actual middle ground? Can you stream for free without breaking the law or risking viruses? Good news! Legal, malware-free streaming sites owned by legit companies absolutely exist, if you know where to look. We're guiding you through 14 top legal platforms today. Let's start right now with the absolute heavy hitters.
Crackle and Tubi consistently rank as two of the absolute best entirely free platforms available today.
First up, Crackle gives you over 1,000 1080p HD movies from massive studios, plus 0 account required.
But there's a trade-off. For that free HD access, you'll sit through about 6 mid-roll ads per movie. Next is Tubi. It packs thousands of movies, including an exclusive kid-friendly zone, totally sign-up free. The catch? Tubi caps resolution at 720p, and its massive full catalog is strictly limited to the US. Now, if you're craving pure volume, Vudu steps up with over 11,000 free titles to browse.
You get a massive library from studios like Warner Brothers, but you gotta create an account first.
Want a traditional TV feel? Pluto TV broadcasts live programming. Meanwhile, Plex organizes 20,000 on-demand titles.
The big downside with Pluto TV's live format, you're stuck at DVD quality, 480p resolution.
Beyond those mainstream giants, several smaller platforms cater directly to highly specific viewer niches.
Canopy is ad-free for students. Crunchyroll is perfect for anime, and Filmzy highlights amazing independent cinema.
Craving disaster movies? Try Popcorn Flicks. Want Amazon Originals totally for free? You gotta check out Freevee.
International viewers, we see you. You've got Channel 4 in the UK and SBS On Demand in Australia.
Can't find your specific movie? Yidio searches the entire web to pinpoint legal, free sources for you.
This brings up a common question. Can you actually download these movies for offline, internet-free viewing?
Surprisingly, yes. Sites like the Internet Archive and Vudu offer limited, perfectly legal offline downloading features.
But what if you're hoping to catch brand new blockbusters on these totally free sites?
New releases are definitely tough to find free, though Tubi and Crackle boast the most updated catalogs.
Ultimately, if you demand day-one releases, you'll still have to pay up for premium streaming subscriptions.
But with 14 safe, massive free libraries available right now, are paid subscriptions actually worth your money anymore?